Online open days are your chance to find out all you need to know about Sheffield Hallam. Here are 5 tips to help you make the most of the experience. Start by attending a welcome talk where you can get an overview of everything available to students. Watch one of our subject talks to give you all the information you need and introduce you to the facilities that will support your learning. Chat with both our academic staff and students who are currently studying your course. They'll be able to answer any of your questions about studying here. Take virtual tours of our campus and accommodation to see where you could be living and learning. Finally, talk to our advisors to learn about the range of support services we offer, such as accommodation, finance, careers and student support. Come and join us for our next online open day. Book your place now.